Creator be attacked. It's a Christmas present. You can look at the landing gear and you can have a little bit of idea how long I've had this for. That's rapid, baby.
Wrapping paper, he's got a 52 4-stroke.
It's an ass. And you know what? It's a hairy motherfucker.
I didn't get you doing that, but I saw it on the corner of my eye.
That way. Like
no wind at all, actually.
Yeah.
Hold up.
There again.
Yeah. Okay, well I got you here. Which way are you going? Charlie! Left or right? I want you two to fly together.
Going to the left and turning to the right.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's a runway, eh? Oh, there you go. There's the fucking pilot. Oh boy! It's really windy right now. He's rolling!
I didn't get you doing that, but I saw it on the corner of my eye.
Where is it? Buckle up! It's still going! Just keep her nice and fucking settled and roll. Oh, that's fucking awesome, man. How do you feel about that, Charlie? I wouldn't try it the other way, man.
So we're gonna just stick her up in the air. Try and fire her up.
Like I guess if you're using, I don't know how much stick, you know, that type of idea, just like you had it there for like 2 or 3, you know what I mean? Where it's not so far away, but you need height. You can't be that low. Try a little hover with it, Charlie. Just hovers while I got some tape here before you land her. I think you got about a half a tank. What's that? Oh. April 15, 215. Charlie up on flight number 2 here in this gale storm wind. Oh, you just got it. You'll stop.
Yeah, that thing was going stuck with it.
Careful. I'm fucking worried so much. Are you in high rate? It's like it almost needs that extra power, eh? Like it needs that extra power. It's like, I don't know. Like are you using full up elevator too? You are, right?
Yes, it gets a little bit too muddy out there.
Like that's the fucking idea, man. But you can fucking do circles, there's no doubt about that. You can roll that fucker all day. Listen, if we're gonna fly nice and fucking gentle like that, he's gotta get really comfortable with it. Like everybody vibrating really fucking hard. And once you're so totally fucking comfortable, then I think you can slow down. See, that's what I'm talking about, Charlie.
I wonder what that was.
Just like that.
Joe, you gotta give us
No, won't.
You know what, Joe?
No. I'll kill it.
No, you won't kill
I'll kill it. I'm not gonna be the end of it. No.
Hovering.
I'm the builder. I know what it's like to crash one. I don't want to do it again. Yeah, just like that, Charlie, in that like real tight circle, eh? Fucking
Charlie, very nice.
no, there's not enough room. Eh? That's why I just. Okay. Try this out. Remember?
Well,
that
we
one
have
nice.
both up together. Mine's on the runway list.
I saw the throttle,
Yeah.
man.
Hear that fucking thing
Well,
going?
you know, I saw a guy fucking hovering his airplane, and he was going like I'd never fucking seen before. And I know you do that, and I say, well, it obviously works. That don't work for me, though. I can't do that. You do it the way you used to do it.
You hear that fucking rattle? Hell, I haven't flown in a while.
Is that my
Should be able to set her down just right here.
Oh, that's a nice picture with a cloud. Charles. Nice picture with the clouds and your flag. Nice. Hey! Come on! That control! That control! Whoa! Oh, good fucking save, man. Oh! That wing hit the ground, you know what that feel does that, eh? Good for you! Pretty far away.
I'm gonna make a fucking circle here.
Fuck.
I'm fucking my touching my fucking belly, man.
Let's see that truck is stopping saying, what the fuck is that guy got? Never gonna get one, though. You gotta get it to hover chart.
The Harrier?
Now what are you trying to do? To practice, eh? You got all fucking summer to practice.
Yeah, fucking nice view, man.
That's fucking good for you, though. That's fucking awesome flying.
I want to bring it backwards, but I'm fucking scared.
Yeah. I'll have to do a little. I'll do a little bit of repair on that. Still in the tight, but never really forward.
What we're gonna do now?
Measure Schmidt. Looking awesome. On this day.
Pretty vertical. Supposed to be that way. Supposed to get some more rain. Something about flying a real plane. That's a beautiful plane.
She rolls, man. She rolls very nice. She rolls very nice. Yeah.
Electric power is great. You can't fly like you would a normal airplane because steel aircraft they always need like continuous power in the wing. But it's a prop going on there. The plane has been out 4 times and crashed twice and landed twice. So both times have been issues with not enough power coming out of the cylinder.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Canopy lifts off. I guess it's 12 volts range.
That's it, Joe. That's it, Joe.
1,500 million, I guess. Battery.
Wow!
And that's,
I could have just let it. Yeah. I could just.
Nice in the air and stuff like that. It looks like pretty black. Flying and your wings just look black. You don't notice the top or the bottom. It's sort of hard to slow them down because it needs so much power. So it can hold up with a little bit of wing load. There you are. This guy just comes off his back. Controls and stuff.